We often received all kinds of questions from our customer.
Is my cleaning directly
Please give me a reasonable explanation.
Actually, it's not like that. Please don't adjust the setting blindly, as it may make the result worse. If the power is too high, it may damage the material. If the speed is too fast, the cleaning may not be complete. If the speed is too slow, the laser stays too long and clean burn the surface. Wrong setting may also cause the protective lens to wear out quickly. We provide a parameter library field to help you choose the right setting for different materials. However, even for the same thing, there may be some differences in the material, so fine-tuning is still needed.
What are the parameters of the machine and what do they mean? What does the pulse frequency mean? How can we make adjustments based on the reference you provide?
Machine parameter 1. Laser power. Power refers to the energy intensity emitted by the laser. The greater the laser power, the stronger the energy. 2. Frequency. Just like the rhythm in music, the number of the pulses that appear per unit time. Imagine that the faster you press the keys when playing the piano, the shorter the interval between the notes, and the smoother the music will be. In cleaning, higher frequency is like fast and continuous notes, which can more effectively remove minor stains on the surface, while low frequency is like a slow rhythm, with more time intervals between each pulse, suitable for cleaning more stubborn deep stains. 3. Pulse width. Similar to the water flow control of a water pipe. Imagine that when the water pipe is flowing normally, the water flow is soft and lasts for a long time, which can easily wet a large area of the ground. If the outlet of the water pipe is blocked, the water flow speed becomes faster, then the impact of each water flow will be large, which is suitable for cleaning local stains that are difficult to clean. 4. Scanning width and scanning height refers to the distance that the cleaning height galvanometer oscillates. The larger the width or height, the larger the single cleaning range. 5. Cleaning speed refers to the frequency at which the galvanometer motor drives the reflector to oscillate, which means the speed at which the laser beam moves. A higher scanning speed will make the reflector oscillate faster, which means the laser will cleaning faster. The setting of cleaning speed is related to the scanning width. When a larger cleaning width is set, a faster scanning speed can be set.
So, what will be the impact if only the frequency and pulse width are changed under the same power? How should I save my commonly used parameters?
The series number 1 in the system is a default series number and cannot be edited. The parameter numbers that can be edited and saved are 2 to 100 in the process settings, modify the laser power frequency and other parameters according to the material to be cleaned. Click the black area below the process settings interface to edit the name of the material to be cleaned. Finally, we not only provide customer with 6 basic cleaning parameters, we also provide you with cleaning parameter data from different materials based on the different machine configurations you purchase. If you're interested in our machine, welcome to contact us.